What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Whoa. Oh, you gotta put it back when you're done with it. Cody. My turn? Oh, I don't know. I already did my workout. I'm good.
No, I hate this. You.
You want to take a video of me?
Yeah.
No, that's okay. I'll pass. Thank you.
I hate this. You, Mommy.
That's okay, babe.
No, I hate this.